So what do you get on a Monday when all the important data sets are Tuesday, Wednesday, and Thursday? And the big one, of course, the Fed meeting with the dot plot? That's right. You guessed it. You get absolutely nothing. A lot of sideways movement. We saw, 10-year Treasury yield come down a little bit slightly. Now it's up a little bit slightly as we head into the evening. And look, it's anybody's guess, really, what the Fed is going to say on Wednesday. And frankly, that is going to be the big news. It's going to be, what does the Fed chairman have to say? Is he dovish? Is he hawkish? Is he going to indicate, hey, the labor market is really struggling. Jobs have now become our number one concern. We see multiple rate cuts still for the remainder of this year. Or does he become more hawkish? Because look, the markets right now are being very favorable to treasuries, but inflation isn't going anywhere. And as a matter of fact, inflation, where the Fed told us forever needed to be at 2%, is hovering near 3%, and nobody seems to give a shit. Everyone's just kind of like, well, that's the way it is right now. We'll take it. And they're saying, hey, maybe it's the tariffs, whatever, when it's really not. It's a problem that has been persistent. It's a problem that inflation isn't really going anywhere, and it's not moving down near that 2% range. So if you pull yourself back and not get all wrapped up in the emotion of it, we could be looking at maybe only this one rate cut or possibly one other one, depending on the data that comes out for the remainder of the year. And the other big thing that's really going to be of notice is going to be that dot plot. What are all the Fed members thinking? So sit tight, buckle up. The big news will be Wednesday. Retail sales tomorrow. I project interest rates to slide just a little bit. Talk to you soon. Cheers.